Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a terrific weekend. If you're new, welcome. My name is Isabel, and if you've been following me for a while, thank you so much for your support. I truly appreciate it. Today I want to share with you what I picked up at my last visit to Louis Vuitton. I uploaded last week a short little vlog that gives you a little bit of a hint, and if you haven't watched it, I'll go ahead and link it right up here. Anyhow, I want to share the two ready-to-wear pieces that I picked up and a third thing which was unexpected and really I had no plans to pick up. So that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, in order to give you a better view of the item, I'm going to go ahead and stand here, and after I show them to you and go over all of the details, I'll go ahead and insert some mod shots of my wearing the item. So the first item came in this really beautiful Louis Vuitton garment bag, and to reveal this absolutely stunning blazer jacket. Now these are from the pre-fall collection, and I was given the opportunity to check them out before they were released, and I fell in love with it and sent it right off to alterations because it was because the sleeves were a little long for me. But let me go ahead and show you the details up front. It is a beautiful jacket. It has an embroidered patch right here, and it features, it's a graphic LV, which is embroidered right here. It has some matte tone-on-tone buttons. Has two of them in the front. And the lining is a beautiful contrasting monogram print, which is stunning. This blazer was made in France. It has 3 matte buttons on the side of the sleeve, and this beautiful detail here also, and I'm hoping that you can see this. It's got the beautiful LV flower right here. The back is plain. It has 2 slits on the side. And again, 2 front pockets. Sorry, it's got some little threads over here. It has the 2 front pockets, which is a really, really nice feature. And that's what it looks like. I absolutely fell in love with this when I saw it, and I really like the fact that, well, first of all, it's black, so it's going to go with everything, and secondly, the LV is not in a super bright color. I'll put the information on the screen. I picked it up in the size 38. It comes with a little care paper. It's got thread, and it's got extra buttons. So it's got 1 large and 1 small extra button. And that's what comes in here. And unfortunately, they do take off the price and all of the information from the garment. I will go ahead and insert the item number on the screen. So this is the first item that I purchased. I absolutely fell in love with it. Honestly, I just fell in love with it. Probably not something I'm going to be able to wear all the time. This is like 98% wool. However, I thought it was spectacular, and this, in my opinion, will not go out of style. It's a classic blazer, and even though it's got the LV patch, it's not in all different colors. So I think that this definitely can stand the test of time, and I am so excited to have it. All right, so the second piece also came in its beautiful garment bag, and actually this is the first piece that I saw, and I fell in love with it, and afterwards They showed me the jacket and they just hooked me. But this is the second item right here. This is a beautiful pair of black slacks with a monogram elastic belt. Look at the beautiful, beautiful monogram right there. It has a beautiful side zipper in silver. Has the LV right here. They are straight cut. And another thing that I really like is it's got a side slit. So the bottom of the slacks have a side slit, and it's a slit on the inside of the slacks, not on the outside. And the back has one pocket right here. It is a fake pocket. But these are absolutely gorgeous. These are the ones that I fell in love with and really, really wanted to get. And this is another classic piece, in my opinion. If you don't want the monogram show, you simply can wear something, you can wear a top on the outside. I am looking forward to wearing this. I plan on taking this to my trip to Vegas. Also has side pockets right here. And they're very, very nice. And it's just a straight cut. And also I will go ahead and insert the item number on the screen. Also from the pre-fall collection. Very, very beautiful in my opinion. And I am so excited to have gotten my hands on them. Here is the last item that I picked up at the Louis Vuitton shopping trip. And this one was unexpected. I was going to the store to pick up the slacks and the blazer because the alterations had already been taken care of, and I was supposed to pick them up, and that was it. However, they showed me this item right here, and I could not say no. And this is one of the reasons why I did not buy the double zip pochette. I decided to buy this instead. So this is not its original box. Actually, he said that they didn't fit very well in the box, and he wanted to give me another one. So you may guess or not what is in here. And they came with this booklet and some extra tips. And there's your, or hint, to reveal. And I'm actually, let me take them out together. Here. These I thought were so pretty. To reveal the stunning Urban Twist ankle booties. These are the Urban Twist ankle boots, and look at these beauties. Oh, they're just so beautiful. I could not resist them. These are basically stretch booties, and they have a toe cap in the silver tone metal, and it's engraved with the LV circle right here. So it's a shiny, pointy, beautiful cap with the little LV right there, and it's got this beautiful heel. I purchased these in a size 37, my regular size, and these are made in Italy. Here we go. I'm assuming it's about 4 inches or 100 millimeters. I am hoping. Let's see. Yeah, it's about 4 inches. So it's about a 4-inch heel. It's about the highest heel at this point that I want to go to. I will say they are very difficult to pull on, the sock piece. But again, remember, I have thick ankles. Once you are able to put your foot in and pull it up, they are just gorgeous and just very comfortable as a high heel can be, of course. but very, very beautiful. And I will try these on. I plan on wearing these with my brand new slacks. Also just launched, so you can pick them up on the website if you're interested. Love them. So that is the third item that I picked up. Okay everyone, that is it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on the items or any comments, please leave them in the section down below. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Here are some close-ups of the blazer. Really beautiful details. 2 buttons in the front, 2 pockets. There is the lovely LV on the top pocket, and the inside lining with the monogram. I did pick it up in a size 38. Here are some mod shots of me wearing the blazer and the slacks, and my apologies. Not only did I have 2 out of 3 dogs in the room, but the mirror is dirty. So my apologies to you. I hope you can see. Here are the slacks, very comfortable, beautiful cut. Absolutely love those. And here is a shot of the booties. They are really, really edgy, but classic at the same time. Love them. Very happy that I actually splurged and picked them up. And there's a slit on the slacks. I'm definitely keeping these. Here is another angle so you can see them a little better. And we are going back to the spotty mirror, sorry. And there is Big Boy lying right behind me. So there's the booties. Very comfortable, like I said, as comfortable as you can get in a heel. And I am loving that cap toe detail with the silver on there. And here is the side zipper. Very, very cute detail. I have not taken the plastic off of the zipper pull. I will have to do that. And again, my apologies for that spotty mirror. I can't believe it.